Right at the boat. I like it. Okay. Come on. Oh, that's hot. Woo. Yeah, that was a lot smoother than last time. Little fish swimming around over there. I don't know what that is either. Huh. Little catfish. Oh crap, he's missing his back tail. Look at that. He's coming right up to me. Something got a hold of him. Predator or prop. See that very well. A turtle eating a dead fish. Oh yeah, it's like a foot deep right here. Yes. Whew, much better. Oh, that feels very nice. Very, very nice. Right at the boat. I like it. Well, you got it right up in. You get that all that far up in there. There we go. A little largemouth. Oh yeah. Oh dang. That little sucker right there. Another freaking drum. He nailed that thing. Huh. Drum are biting today. I don't want anything to do with the drum, but they're biting. That's fun. Little pole there. A lot of fish popping the surface over here. There you go. Finally got one. Little bitty. Like a shad. Let's catch a shad. There's a little baby drum. That's a baby drum. Something. I think that's a gar. Little alligator gar right below the surface. Oh my goodness gracious, alright. I think I've had enough of the gnats. Fish needs a bite right now. Just like that. Oh, dadgummit. I'm having a hard time setting the hook in this kayak. That was a good looking bass right there too. Yeah. Little brown. I'll take it. Yeah. That's the thing about rooster tails. You can, anything bites them. That's why it's fun to fish with them. You can catch big old bass. You can catch a little perch. You just catch everything with them. Let's see a little snake swimming across there. I'm gonna look at a little water moccasin, maybe a water snake.